Are you struggling to meet your goals? Or just want to find another way to really help you increase the chances of achieving your goals? If so, check out this video where I'm going to be sharing the 2 different types of tracking that will help you to achieve your goals. Hey, it's Charelle from PropelHer, the place for unashamedly ambitious women who want to achieve more success in their life. As you may know, I am a lover of setting goals, and through PropelHer, I share lots of advice and resources to help you set and achieve your goals. In fact, you can check out the whole playlist for how to achieve your goals up above. Recently, someone asked me in the PropelHer Facebook group whether they should set goals that they were in control of. This comment was from an entrepreneur, and she felt that setting the goal of 10 customers per week wasn't right to set since she didn't really have control over that. That question inspired me to create this video because it reminded me of the 2 types of tracking that you should be doing when you're working towards a goal. Tracking 1 is tracking the results, and this is what most people do. So when you're setting a goal, you know that they should be smart. This means that your goals should be measurable, and it is the measurable aspect that you can track against. For example, if you said that you want to lose weight and you want to reach 10 stone, then each week you could track your weight so that you could see that you're moving closer to that 10 stone goal. And then when you hit 10 stone, you know you've achieved your goal. Tracking 2 is tracking your actions. Now this is the other type of tracking that you should be doing in relation to your goals, but that a lot of people don't. So if we use the same example as before, where your goal was to lose weight and to reach 10 stone, then you could be tracking the number of exercise sessions you have been doing. You could be tracking the number of steps you're doing on a daily basis, or you could be tracking the number of calories that you are eating. As you can see, there's numerous different things that you can track to ensure you're working towards your goal. The reason why tracking your actions is important is because you are measuring if you're actually doing the work you're meant to be doing. If you aren't achieving your goal, you need to know why. By tracking the actions you are taking, you'll be able to see if 1, you haven't been taking the actions you know you need to take and therefore you need to do it, or 2, you have been taking the actions and you're still not getting the results you want. If this is what you find out, then you know that you need to relook at the actions and probably try a different way of achieving your goal. So go back through your list of goals and work out how you can track your results and your actions. I would love to know in the comments below 1 set of actions that you are going to track against as you work towards your goal. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I release a new video every single Sunday. And if you would like even more PropelHer goodness in your life, head over to propelher.co.uk, where I have a whole range of resources to help you achieve more success in your life. Bye for now.